Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Just upon request, I'm going to show you my tool bag that I use on a day-to-day basis. And here is a list of things that I check that I have in my van or in my tool bag. I'll go through this list in a moment. I have made another video about making a checklist, the importance of checking that you have certain things in your tool bag and in your van on a weekly, daily, monthly basis. Shouldn't just go on a system which is when you realize you don't have something, that's when you're going to replenish it. You need to work out beforehand that you don't have something. But anyway, this is my tool bag, so let's have a look from the outside. First of all, okay, on one side I have my Stiltsons here, and in the Stiltsons compartment I have things that I use to clean. I top it up and put different bits in here. So I've got my wire brush, emery cloth. This is just my igniter. What else do we have in here? A few other brushes and so on. But mainly also I've got in here my calipers. Okay, the other side of the tool bag, I've got another set of grips, and then in the compartment I have a small barcode socket set. I do have a larger socket set, a Van House one that I keep in my van, but this little one gets me basically mostly what I need. And then I have my Allen key set here. I also have more Allen keys in the van, but this is a smaller set and most of what I need is there. And at the back here now we have, I've got my screwdrivers here, because I think screwdrivers are things that you need more often than not than probably anything. Taking up a lot of space here, some gas tape, but this is also just a reminder to myself as well to just look around the plant room to make sure that things are labeled with gas tape. And my gloves, I also have my gloves here just as a reminder to actually wear them, because I don't often have them on. Okay, breaking inside here now. What we have in here, I've got my do not use labels, which I try to make sure that I don't get down to the last one. And then I have some silver tape inside here, strips of silver tape. And then inside here as well, things that I do not like to forget or lose, a marker pen and a pencil. This can also be kept in your pockets if need be. Going into the main tool bag. Okay, what do I have inside here? I have in this section here a bit of epoxy resin, laser gun, check my plant room temperatures and many other things, radiator temperatures with this. Torch, this is just a bike torch, but I need a new head torch, but it's good to keep a torch in the bag rather than using your phone light. Got my anemometer, this for measuring mechanical ventilation, speeds and so on. I have two tape measures in here. I need a new one. I tend to lose my good tape measures, but these are cheap and cheerful tape measures. I have some Loctite. Okay, got my analyzer cable in here. I don't keep my analyzer in a separate bag, I just keep it all in the same tool bag. And then I have my analyzer tool bag here. And then, so the analyzer's in there, and my hose, and another hose to go inside the analyzer to take my working pressure, burner pressure, head pressure, tightness. Okay, so what we have inside here, inside this tool bag, is electrical bits like my tape, my electrical tape, clip-on connections for my multimeter, and wagos, smoke bombs, smoke matches, small screws that I have inside here, various screws. So my analyzer, charger, my clip-on thermometer, my volt stick, and then inside here I have my adjustable spanner. I need to buy a smaller adjustable spanner. Lost my barcode. And then inside here got Stanley knife, wire strippers, side cutters here, VDE rated, long nose pliers, also VDE rated, my Weeha grips, and that's it really inside here. So create your own list if you haven't, a checklist, and go through it and modify your bag from time to time to see what you have in there, what you need, what you don't need in there, so that you do not waste time or space. Okay, please leave comments in the section below. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, bye bye bye.